Hello teacher, hi friends. My name is Kat. Today I'm talking you about city animals.
City Animals, written by Elizabeth Austin. Many people live in cities. Many kinds of animals live in cities too.
Many people live in cities. Many kinds of animals live in cities too.
Mice live in cities.
Mice live in cities. They eat fruit people throw away.
They eat food people throw away. Geese and ducks live in cities.
Geese and ducks live in cities. They swim in pools, in parks.
They swim in ponds in parks. Squirrels live
in cities. Squirrels make nests in trees.
cities. Pigeons live in
Pigeons live in city. Some people like to feed pigeons.
Opossums live in
Opossums live in cities. They like to come out at night.
Hawks live in cities.
Hawks live in cities. They make nests on high buildings.
Dogs
live in cities. People bring them to the park.
live in
Raccoons live in cities.
Raccoons live in cities. They take food from trash bins.
They take food from trash bins.
Do you see animals where you live? What kinds of animals do you see?
Do you see animals where you live? What kinds of animals do you see? Bye bye, teacher.